Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox a winter jacket that I bought from the Rudsak brand. It is a Canadian brand and I've been eyeing this jacket for a couple months, but I kept stopping myself from actually purchasing it until I saw the size small that I really wanted got sold out. Then I panicked and bought the extra small. So yeah, not a very smart move, but yeah, I'm really excited to see if it will really fit me since it's not my usual size. And yeah, normally I really like everything that this brand creates, so the quality is always great. They have a lot of genuine leather details and just small details that show how high quality the products are. Yeah, I love the way it looks, and it's black and white, and the fur is genuine, and yeah, it is in full black color. The material of the jacket itself is water repellent, so if there is something wet on it, it will just slide off and it won't get absorbed into the jacket. And yeah, the fur is extremely soft. It's very warm, will keep you warm up to minus 30 degrees Celsius. And they have a sale, so I got this for about $5.50 Canadian dollars instead of the regular price, which was about $800. So it was a good deal for the quality, and it goes really well with these boots that I have from Cougar Shoes. And yeah, so usually I love to match my jackets to my boots. I think it will just create a complete winter outfit, and you can just wear something simple under it, but as long as you have your high quality jacket and boot, your outfit is complete. So yeah, I'm putting it on, and thankfully it's zipped up even though it was extra small. However, because it is extra small, I feel like the fit is not great on me. It's a little bit too short. It doesn't even cover my behind, so yeah, it's kind of on the short side, and I feel like it would just sit a little bit better if it was size small. So I'm not really sure about it at this point. And I do love the fur hood when it's on my head, but when it comes down, because it comes all the way down, like the fur trim is not, it's like pretty big. I feel like it makes the upper part of the jacket a little bit wider, and I'm not really a fan of that since the jacket is really short itself. It's not really balanced. So yeah, even though it looked really good on the hanger, I'm not loving it as much on myself. And yeah, I have to say that it's extremely warm. I was so warm when I was wearing this, and I just wanted to take it off. So definitely a warm jacket. And yeah, here I have my hair tied, so it looks a little bit better, I guess, when the hair is tied, so you can see the top part of the jacket. I like the way the hood is like shiny and a different color. There's a lot of things I love about it, but yeah, still not really sure. So let me know what you guys think. How does it look from your perspective? Because I'm like almost like, I give it an 8.5 out of 10. So, but usually if I really like something and want to keep it, it has to be a 10 out of 10 for me. And yeah, maybe if it was the right size, it would fit better. Yeah, let me know. But yeah, I just don't know if I can ever find a jacket that will match these shoes better. Another reason I purchased this is that Nowadays they don't do fur trims anymore. Like the newer styles never have a hood like this, so that's why I'm kind of tempted to keep it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.